Hey everyone, how y'all doing? Got a different kind of EDC video for you. I thought I'd show you a couple of things I picked up when we were out shopping a few days ago. The wife, she wanted to go to Hobby Lobby. If you don't know what Hobby Lobby is, it's a giant craft store. They got everything. Um, so I started looking around and I ran across these two things, and yeah, I thought they looked interesting. So I grabbed them and figured I'd give it a try. And I don't know if I'll do a series with these, doing them, or I'll show you the finished product someday. But yeah, found a couple leather craft items. These are Realeather Crafts. Like I said, got these from Hobby Lobby. I'm sure they sell them a lot of different places. But the first one is a large knife pouch. It says holds most lockback knives up to 4 inches long. Belt loop on back, fits up to 2.5-inch belt. Down here, kit contains pre-cut, pre-punched, veg tan leather parts, pre-attached snap, thread and needle, design patterns, instructions. You will need leather finish, optional design tools, optional leather dies. So I did pick up some leather dye, this dark brown. It's really, they had like natural clear, keep the leather natural looking. Or this was $6.99. I figured dark brown would be okay. Most of my leather items are pretty dark brown. But yeah, so I got the dye. I have Renaissance wax and different things I can treat this with. Obviously, it doesn't look like anything like this. It's just pretty plain leather. Like I said, pre-attached snap. Down here is the thread. So I thought that was pretty cool. Large knife pouch. Figure I'd give this one a try. I'd probably do this one first. Let's check this one out. Multi-tool case. So it says flashlights not included. Holds most standard Leatherman tools and mini mag lights. Anything size mini mag, probably a i3T, OLED i3T fit. Again, kit contains all the parts, pre-cut, pre-punched, pre-attached, snapped, and belt clip. That's what I liked about this one. Needle and thread instructions patterns. You'll need scissors or craft knife. Leather finish. Stands for designs, leather dies. This one's made in USA. This one's made in Mexico. And you can see the price on the back. This one was $8.99. This one was $10.99. A little more to it. But yeah, there's a belt clip. I like these kind of belt clips. You can get them on and off your belt while having undo your belt. But yeah, I don't know. I'm not sure if I'm going to do like, step-by-step videos on doing these, or, I tried that with the scrimshaw and the scrimshaw knife, and that was kind of frustrating because the ink was bad and all that stuff, and I ended up doing it off camera. But let's put that one aside. Let's check this one. Let's open this up and check it out. Now, I am going to read the instructions and try to do this correctly. But see what we got. That's obviously the front. That'd be the belt loop. That's the back, so belt loop would go on here. Like so. And that's kind of, maybe it goes under. Nope. Oh, like I said, I'll definitely have to read the instructions. Oh, I see how it works. Be just like that. See? Figuring it out already. And I got a needle. And this thread is kind of feels like it's waxed. But yeah, check the instructions out a little bit. I don't have any stamps or anything like that. I looked at the stamps. They're fairly expensive. But I think just plain, I'm going to try just plain. Yeah, front, back, flap, needle thread, belt loop. Doesn't really. There we go. Shows you the stitching pattern. So yeah, I'm gonna have to figure all this out. I may do a video. Now I'm wondering, am I supposed to? Yeah, should I stain it first before I put together? I think so, probably. But yeah, so that's that one. Put that over there. We can look at the other one real quick. See all the parts and pieces. Like I said, I'll probably do that one first. Looks simpler than this one. So I'm assuming these things have to bend over. That's the flap. That's the belt clip. Belt clip looks, yeah, that looks pretty good. Needle, or the thread, yep, needle's there. This one got a lot more instructions. Front smooth. That's the front. That's the center. That's the back. Oh, I know. This is for the flashlight. So I'm just wondering. Just try it. Yeah, I think I like a OLED i3T or Lumen Top AAA probably fit. But yeah, let me know in the comments, you know, if you guys want to see this being done, or you know, let me just do it and show you the finished product, or not. But yeah, just a couple of things, you know, I thought looked interesting. I thought I'd grab them, try them out, show you guys. You can definitely, it looks easy enough because everything's cut out, everything's pre-punched. Things like the clips attached, the snaps are attached. They seem to be in there pretty good. But you can personalize it if you had some stamps or whatever. And yeah, I guess that's it for this one. Stay tuned. I think I'll probably stain the pieces first and then start assembling it. But yeah, just a quick video. Like I said, just want to show you these two things I thought were cool. Not all that expensive. One was $8.99. This was $8.99. This was $10.99. So I spent $11, $9, $20 on these. I don't think it's a bad deal. They come out pretty good. And yeah, I'll get some use out of them, whether they're ugly or good looking. But yeah, I guess that's it. As usual, you know, hit the like button, leave a comment down below. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and stay tuned. You might see more of these. And until the next video, bye.